friends, welcome to our channel B Square Craze.
Today we will learn alphabets with their words and pictures. As technology has developed tremendously these days, we make our small kids sit in front of computers, laptops, television, giving very less attention to them. But today we will discuss how to engage ourselves with our kids to make study a fun. When I was in nursery, this was the only way our teachers used to teach us. And believe it, it's too much fun learning this way, as your kid will surely grasp these alphabets quickly and easily. So let's get started. A. Apple. A for apple. B. Ball. B for ball. C. Cat. C for cat. D. D. O. L. L. Doll. D for doll. E. E. G. G. Egg. E for egg. F. F. I. S. H. Fish. F for fish. G. Gun. Gun. G for gun. H. H. U. T. Hut. H for hut. I. C. E. C. R. E. A. M. Ice cream. J. Jug. J for jug. K. Kite. Kite. K for kite. L. Light. Light. L for light. M. Mango. Mango. M for mango. N. Nest. Nest. N for nest. O O R A N G E. Orange. O for orange. P P E N. Pen. P for pen. Q Q U I L L. Quill. Q for quill. R R O S E. Rose. R for rose. S S W A N. Swan. S for swan. T T R E E. Tree. U U M B R E L L A. Umbrella. U for umbrella. V V A N. Van. V for van. W W A T C H. Watch. W for watch. X X M A S T R E E. Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y Y A T C H. Yacht. Y for yacht. Z Z I P. Z for jeep.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर ज़रूर कर देना। तो मैं मिलता हूँ फिर नए वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय।